How to change the quality of the images on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the quality of the images on your Twitter app. So first thing, go to Twitter, then go to the top corner, click on your profile and go down, choose settings and privacy right here, and now go down again and choose accessibility, display and languages. Now choose the third option, or the fourth one, it's data usage, and you will find a high quality image mode here. You can change here, from here, as you can see you can choose mobile and data Wi-Fi, so you can get always the high quality images. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.